Hi dear friends, how are you? I hope you all will be fine and doing well. So dear friend, I am here with you Azhar Mahmood and you are watching our channel Azhar TV. Dear friends, in today's video we are going to discuss two major things. If you are working on the Upwork, you must need to know these two things: hourly jobs and one is fixed job. What is fixed and what is hourly jobs? We are going to discuss it in detail in this video. So dear friend, if you are new here and you watch this video till end, and if you find it informative, then must need to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so you will never miss any informative video notification from us. So dear friends, what is hourly jobs and what is fixed job on Upwork? These are the two major jobs you will find on Upwork. It may be, if you are a beginner, it may be really difficult for you to identify what is the main difference. So first of all, I am going to tell you about fixed jobs. Fixed jobs is just like this, that I have glasses like this, right? And you ask me to please prepare these glasses, place the mirror inside to this frame, right? So I will pay you how much? I will pay you $10. So this is a fixed job in real world. Now what is fixed job in online Upwork? Fixed job is just like this. You are a seller, buyer, and I am a seller. You come and give me that I have a video editing project. You have to complete it and its fixed cost is $50. So it means if I complete it in 1 hour or in 1 day, so you will pay me $50, right? And if the customer, means the client, get the job, means the milestone has been completed, he will just approve your money and your money will be directly available in comes to in your available tab and you can withdraw it anytime. But it's really different from hourly jobs. Now what is hourly jobs? It's just like this. In Upwork, your low rate per hour is $5. You can't write $4 per hour like this. So what is hourly jobs? In hourly jobs, I am a client, okay, and you are a client sorry, and I am a buyer. For example, in a real world example, you can say that for taking an example of a labor, you know, a labor work from 8 hours, minimum 8 hours a day, and he get paid some money or somewhere $10 or $15 or $20 per 8 hours, right? So now what is the difference on online market? On online market, you get a job. For example, you are a YouTube optimizer, channel optimizer. You ask for the client asks for you that I need someone who can boost my channel and do such a nice SEO. So what is the job now? Take the scenario into your mind and observe me what I am going to say. He is saying I need an SEO who can do SEO for my YouTube channel. But SEO is not a one-time job that you will do it like the glasses. It's not one-time job. You have to do it daily or weekly. So he upload videos daily, okay, or he upload single video daily, and then my work is 1 hour job, and he is getting going to pay me $10 per hour. So if he upload a video on YouTube channel, my hourly tracker is on. Whenever I am free, I go start 1 hour tracking. The tracking is tracking my work. During tracking, the Upwork timer gets some screenshots, so later on when the client want, he can also check the screenshot that he was working on my channel or no. So he will upload video, you will go and do the SEO. On the next day he will again do like this, you will again go and start over. You will do the 1 hour job for him daily. So this is 1 hour job you have to do. In this scenario, how you will get paid your money? When your 1 hour job is done, it is in the progress tab. Then on the Monday, that will be shifted to in review. In review, it's like this, that the client will check the work he has done or not. Then it will be approved after 5 days, and it will come to the pending. In the pending, it will spend 5 days as a security duration. Then it will move to the available tab and you can withdraw. So in fixed, if your milestone has been completed, your all money comes directly to the available tab and you can withdraw. But in a hourly job, you have to wait for 14 or 15 days to withdraw your money. So this is the main difference between hourly job and fixed job. I hope you like this video and you find it informative. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe our channel, like the video, share with video, in the comment section tell us what you want next. See you in next video. Tata, bye bye.